Okay, guys, it's Rooster here, and this is the behind the scenes of the Backcountry original video. I've been getting a ton of requests for more footage on Backcountry. So, behind the scenes, raw, uncut look at it. I won't do voiceovers, no fancy edits. You will hear talking, but that happened while we were shooting the footage. Enjoy it, watch it all the way through. There's tons of great stuff, extra footage all the way through. Like, subscribe, watch all the way to the end. It really helps us out. Thanks, guys. Let's get to it. Is this the first backcountry you're doing, Phil?
Yes, sir.
She's a beauty.
She's gorgeous.
That's so much. So he's unpacking all the accessories, and then he'll mount them. So what's it come standard with? The bumpers, brush guard, what is that? You got a mount there?
Yeah. That's nice. Front bumper, rear bumper.
In this backcountry, I guess it's a 2-up then, right?
It also comes with hand guards.
So that's all the stuff you got to mount.
Yeah.
So nice. Look at that profile, right out of the box.
What do you think, Cody? Currently, in my opinion, the best value package Can-Am. Comes with everything you need.
She's a beauty.
The winch, it's got some skid plates.
Love it, jealous.
30-inch tires and shocks that are rebuildable.
No, that's it's already really sweet looking. So once again, we're getting unprecedented access in the back of Torque. Thanks Jen Landry, thanks Torque Motorsports. Of course, thanks Phil and the whole team. You can see there's a lot of action going on, so it's actually really awesome that they'll let us come back in here and get the kind of looks that nobody else is actually getting. I already want to just ride it. I don't care, just fire it up. Let me take this thing. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I don't know. No, it's got a really nice stance. I really like the way it looks. Those beefier tires. I mean, my experience. Oh, that was hot. Not so much that. I liked when you cut it off and it popped up. Yeah.
Man, I would buy that. Not the max though. Gotta be able to do wheelies. Need a short
Yeah, my wheelie days are kind of over. I got to be honest with you. This is an old man kind of ride. I mean, I shouldn't say that. It's not like it's an old man. Like, it's got 1,000, right? So it's a 1,000, right? So this is pretty typical Sean, right? He gets everything done and then he just disappears. Leaves it for everybody else to get it done, right? You'll get used to that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Full sponsor, full ride for Phil.
Alright. Just gotta go get some gas and then we'll fire this puppy up.
Okay. Oh, he's back with the fuel. Wait, it goes this side, bud. That's why I came over here. There we go. Oh, hang on. Oh, they're giving these guys the LEDs too, eh? Pretty nice. This is what I do. I just talk to myself the whole time, whispers, and then later I watch the footage back and I hear myself talking, going, cluck, cluck, cluck.
Probably makes it a little easier to edit.
There you go. 3 bars in it. Uh-oh. Is it time?
Sir. It's time to put down the bench.
Kicking out smoke.